Hey guys, this is Devin here with Hillbilly Networks. Today I'm just going to show you real quick a way to optimize your PC. This is actually a tool I learned how to use when I used to work for Geek Squad. Not saying this is what they do now, but whenever I worked there and you paid for a $30 PC optimization, this is what they use to optimize your PC. They might do a little bit more just to be nice, such as remove some spyware, adware. That usually is just as simple as getting into control panel and programs and features, uninstall programs, and finding toolbar extensions and stuff you've inadvertently downloaded when you've downloaded other free softwares that tack that on with it. But other than that, they just run this. And as you can see, you do the custom clean, hit analyze it, and then you hit clean. Then you'll do the registry tool, and I'll show you in the video how to do that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Let me know if you have any other videos of anything networking or fiber related that you would like for me to make. Thanks guys.